Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OpenShot for timeline trimming and transitions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. OpenShot is a powerful video editing tool that allows for easy timeline trimming and transitions. First, launch the OpenShot application on your computer. Once the program is open, import the video file you wish to edit. To do this, click on the Project Files section. Locate the Import Files button and select your video file from your device. Drag and drop your video file onto the timeline at the bottom of the window. Now, to trim your video, select the clip on the timeline. Position your playhead at the point where you want to trim the clip. Right-click on the clip and choose Slice from the menu. You can select Keep both sides, keep the right side, or keep the left side depending on your needs. For seamless transitions between clips, import additional video clips you want to use. Drag these clips next to your original clip on the timeline. To add transitions, go to the Transitions tab in the toolbar. Choose a transition that you like and drag it between the two clips on the timeline. Adjust the duration of the transition by clicking and dragging its edges. Preview your project by pressing the play button in the preview window. Make any necessary adjustments to the clips or transitions to ensure a smooth flow. Once you are satisfied with your edits, go to the File menu. Select Export to save your video in the desired format. Choose your settings and click on Export Video to finalize your project. You are now ready to enjoy your newly edited video with timeline trimming and transitions in OpenShot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.